Hey guys, it's Marley with Adrada Deep Powder. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a 3-color ombre with gel using the scrub method. So I'm going to show you this right here. So my husband came home with this candle and I thought, I want to do my nails just like it. So that's what I'm going to do. And I already did all of these nails, and so I decided to do an ombre here and here, and I think it looks so cute. It looks just like the candle. I'll show you a picture at the end. Okay, so you are going to need your base gel, okay, and you can find this on my website. And then I'm gonna take, I have Papaya Pudding. That's the lightest color, and I'm gonna do 1 layer of that color first. Okay, I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds. Okay, so that is cured, and let's get a brush and clean that powder. What I'm gonna use now is my no wipe matte top coat. Okay, this is UV gel also, and the reason why I'm using matte instead of no wipe top coat, it's because you can use either one, it's fine, you could just do that, but I like to do it with the matte gel instead, because this gel has like this really nice finish at the end, and it feels like super smooth. So it's like really easy to scrub the powder on it. So that's what I like, but you can do, you can use the other one too. Okay, I hope I'm not getting off the camera. I always get off the camera. So I'm gonna flash cure this for 10 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna follow the same pattern. I have a little brush, like a little eyeshadow brush. So I'm gonna get my yellow, and I'm gonna start, I'm going to like put the powder on, like I'm gonna just pat first. I'm not gonna scrub. I'm just going to like put the powder on, kind of like tap tap, tap, tap tap. This is like a weird angle here, let me see. Oof. See the yellow? Okay, and then I'm gonna take my Papaya Pudding, and then I have a brush for that one, different brush. Let me get a different cupcake here. I don't want to contaminate that one with yellow, so I'm gonna put that in the middle. Tap tap tap. Let me show you how it's looking so far. This is a light color, so it will look better when we do, another layer of it. Okay, so after you tap a few times, you know, then you can start kind of like scrubbing a little, like, you know, let me show you, like going like that. Just start scrubbing a little bit, and then you see the color kind of shows a little bit more when you do that. Okay. And what you want to do also is kind of overlap the colors a little bit. So I'm going over the yellow just a little bit, just so I can you know, like blend those two colors better. Okay, I think that's good. And then I'm gonna get my pink right here. Now this pink is heather, and this color is, it has a lot of shimmer in it. So can you see, like, you can see how it separates the base and the shimmer kind of comes, you know, to the top. So make sure that you mix that. Okay, it happens with like all the shimmery, you know, powders. What am I gonna get now? My brush. Okay, this is another one for pink, so I have 3 different brushes. Okay, and then tap 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 first. And then you can start, you know, doing the scrub. Make sure to get your sides, your free edge. Sometimes we forget about that. Look how pretty, pretty. I love that. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is easy, you guys. This is like, I think this is the easiest way to do an ombre. And just like, you can take, you know, all the time you want to make sure that you blend all colors so the transition is, you know, nice and smooth. Okay, all right, so after this I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, that is cured. Now let's brush the extra powder off. Let me show you what it looks like so far. Okay, now we're gonna do another layer of the matte top coat. That looks good. Okay. Okay, we're going to flash cure this one for 10 seconds. Okay. Now we're gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna take my yellow and I'm gonna take my brush. And I'm going to pat the color on top first. Let me see if I can get a little closer here. Okay. Ooh, that's better. Okay, so tap, tap, tap first, just to put the powder on top, okay? And we're gonna try to overlap that orange just a little bit. Okay, so after that, I can start scrubbing. When I start scrubbing, it starts getting darker. Darker. Do you guys hear my accent? I'm Colombian, so I have an accent. Hopefully you understand everything I say. If not, then just leave a comment asking, hey, what was that? What did you say? Okay, let's do the orange now. Okay, tap, tap, tap first. Let's get the pink. And then the brush for the pink. Tap, tap, tap. Okay. Now I can start scrubbing. See how it gets darker when you scrub? Now, remember I was telling you that heather, the pink, is really, really shimmery. You can see the shimmer, like, you know, is the darker part of it that separates from the base. So that one, it's shimmery, so it kind of looks like it could be chrome, you know. I don't know if you can see the shimmer on it. It's really pretty, and it looks that way because we're using gel and because we're, you know, kind of just scrubbing it. So the magic happens when you do that. The shimmer really shows when you do that. Okay, so I'm gonna try to go over the orange just a little bit so I can blend both colors. Okay, so we're gonna cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, that is cured. Now let's get rid of the extra powder. Okay, and let me show you what that looks like so far. Okay, so now the question is, do I want them shiny or do I want them matte? I don't know. Gosh, what do I do? What do I do? I think I'm just gonna make them shiny. Okay, so I'm gonna get my no wipe top coat, okay, and I'm going to apply that to all my nails. Okay, I'm gonna cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, those are cured and I absolutely love them. Thank you for watching, and I'll come back with a picture. Bye.